All right, practice problem 1. You want to try to do more and more of these by yourself. So let's see if you could figure out, did we solve for x or did we solve for y? So looking at these two equations, where do we see just an x all by itself or just a y? In equation 2, we have a y equals. So we solved for y, so you should have circled x plus 9. And you're going to draw an arrow to the other y, okay? So we're going to replace this y with x plus 9. So we're going to rewrite this equation. We have 4x plus 7. We're going to fill what y is in parentheses. So we said y is x plus 9, okay? Now you may have gotten to this step and gotten stuck because we haven't had to do this before. But we have something in parentheses, so that means we have to distribute. So let's bring down the 4x, and now we need to distribute the 7. This is why we spent so long solving equations, because it all comes back. 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 9 is 63, and then we have a 19. Now we're going to combine like terms. So 7x plus 4x is 11x, and we have a plus 63 equals 19. I need to get the 11x by itself, so that 63 needs to go. Since it's a positive 63, I'm going to subtract 63 on both sides. I can't do this in my head, but I know I need to flip it around because the larger number is supposed to be on top. 13 minus 9 is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. And it's going to be negative because I have more negatives than positives. So we have 11x equals 44. I can do this last step in my head. I'm dividing by 11 to get x equals -4. Now that I know what x is, I'm going to plug it into one of those first original equations to figure out what y is. So if this is equation 1 and this is equation 2 looks easier to me. So I'm going to use this one. But now I know that instead of x, I can put a -4 in its place. So -4 plus 9 is 5. Y is positive 5. So I think the answer here is -4, 5. On the next slide, we'll check it. -4, 5. First number is x. Second number is y. So I have a 4. I'm going to put what x is in parentheses. And then I'm also going to put what y is in parentheses. So we're just going to rewrite the equation, but we're substituting what we know x is now and what we know y is. So x is -4 and y is positive 5. 4 times -4 is -16. And 7 times 5 is 35. I have a positive number and a negative number. Since their signs are different, I need to subtract them. So 35 minus 16. 15 minus 6 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now, I have 35 positives and 16 negatives. So this is a positive 19. I have more positives. So it checks out. Equation number 2, instead of y, we put a 5 in its place. Instead of x, we put a -4 in its place. And then we have a plus 9. -4 and a positive 9 gives me positive 5. Both equations check out. This is, in fact, our answer. We're done.